Today we want to talk to you about something close to our hearts, home ownership. You probably heard the saying, home is where the heart is. Well, there's a reason it's so widely embraced. Becoming a homeowner is an emotional journey.
Absolutely. There is something truly special about owning your own home. Let's dive into why so many people fall in love with homeownership.
I'm Elias.
And my name is Alejandra with Empire-Fine Homes. Let's begin by talking about customization. Your home should be a reflection of who you are. When you rent, you're often limiting how much you can do by personalizing your space. But when you own your home, the possibilities are endless.
And let's not forget about stability. Renting can often feel like living one foot out the door. You never know whether your lease will be renewed or your rent will increase. But when you own your home, you have security. You can put down your roots and create a stable environment for yourself and your loved ones.
Another beautiful aspect of homeownership is the sense of community. When you buy a home, you're not just purchasing a property, you're becoming a part of that neighborhood. You will get to know neighbors, participate in block parties, and feel a sense of belonging like never before. Owning a home connects you to something bigger than yourself.
So we touched on customization, stability, and community. But let's not forget about one of the most exciting aspects, building equity.
And what is exactly equity, Elias?
Equity is the difference between the market value of your home and the amount you owe on your mortgage. Essentially, it's the portion of your home that you truly own.
And here's the exciting part. As you make your mortgage payments and your home value appreciates, your equity grows. It's like building wealth with every payment you make.
So not only does your home ownership provide stability and a sense of belonging, it's also a powerful tool for building wealth and securing your financial future.
Absolutely. It's an opportunity that shouldn't be overlooked. And if you are ready to explore your possibilities of homeownership, we are here to guide you every step of the way.
Thanks for watching. And if you enjoyed this tour and want more insider look at the best properties in Queens and Long Island, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.
Until the next one.